Thanks for watching. Here I will show push button switch connection position NONC with series lamp. Here is the series lamp, series switch. You can check here. This position is called normally open. After push, it is engaged. That's why the light is blink on. And lower switch, lower position is normally close. We will check. Then we will check another switch. Push and close, open. So we understand how to work NONC with series lamp. This is also called push button switch. Sometimes we call selector switch, as we can select this here. Check. This is now on position. This position. Look, here is off position. We select here and here. Previous, we connect this to position. We will move. Now this is left right turn. It is now open. So we'll check another device, speedometer. Speedometer. It was damaged, but after clean or wash, it is now okay. So we will check another 2 meter. Here is another two connection came from PLC for speed increase or decrease. You can see how many meters is going now. Oh, it is open. Meter per minute. We can increase and decrease by potential switch with PLC. This is just 220 volt connection. This is Chinese one.